Siphethe uchoir master lapha. Ndovalo. Can you introduce yourself to the public, bruh?
I'm Kondi Vesfanda from St. Otto, Lituko,
Fine. Baba. Anginamazwi ngengubone phakathi lapha. How did you manage to, get to such a standard yokuhlabela, in just a short space of time, maybe siyiphiwe?
I think it's all about looks and practice.
It's all about practice.
I want to say it's about practice and commitment, yeah.
Okay.
Everything is possible.
But that was too much. That was really too much. Fine. So far so good. Good dinner yethu usubonile amanye amakhwazo nala amabili amathathu aseperformile. What do you have to say? Ama comments akho so far? Yeah.
It's good. It's good. I think it just shows, Ilya Vesky saw it. It shows. Let's get it from history. So it which one he played in and the standard so it it's lovely.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We wish you all the best, bra, and just hope ukuthi lizaphumelela, but that was really good. Anglamas. Okay, thank you, bra.